How to deliver speech in English fearlessly. Here is practical example for you. The fearless speech. Mira stood backstage, her heart pounding like a drum. In 5 minutes, she was supposed to deliver a speech to a packed auditorium. The topic? Overcoming fear. Ironic, considering her sweaty palms and shaky knees. She had spent weeks preparing. She memorized every word, practiced in front of a mirror, and even rehearsed in front of her cat, Luna, who seemed unimpressed. But now, staring at the sea of expectant faces, her mind went blank. Just then, her mentor, Mr. Yusuf, walked up and placed a hand on her shoulder. Mira, forget perfection. Focus on connection. She frowned. What do you mean? Speak from the heart. Start with a story. Pause when needed. And remember, nobody wants you to fail. They're here to listen, not judge. The announcer called her name. Taking a deep breath, Mira stepped onto the stage. 5 years ago, she began, her voice trembling. I stood in a classroom, terrified to answer a simple question. Today, I stand here, still nervous, but ready to talk about conquering fear. The audience leaned in. She told her story, used simple words, made eye contact, and even threw in a joke. She paused when needed, took deep breaths, and focused on the message rather than herself. Before she knew it, the speech was over. Applause thundered across the room. She had done it, not perfectly but authentically. As she stepped off the stage, Mr. Yusuf grinned. Told you, it's about connection, not perfection. Mira smiled. She had learned the most important lesson about public speaking. Speak to people, not at them. And from that day on, she never feared the stage again.